Do you know what a greenhouse is? Greenhouses are those glass or plastic structures with plants that grow inside. The heat from the sun shines through the glass or plastic and gets trapped inside, allowing the plants to flourish and grow, protecting them from the cold outside. The greenhouse effect works like a greenhouse. Sunlight shines down on Earth during the day, creating heat and warming up the planet. During the night, some of that heat is released back into the air, but some of the heat can be trapped in our atmosphere by something called greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are natural. They let sunlight in, but they can also stop some of the heat caused by that sunlight from leaving. Common greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, which humans and animals breathe out; methane, which can come from cows and farm animals; nitrous oxide, which can come from the soils and the sea; water vapour, which can turn into rain high in the atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is a normal part of how our planet works. Greenhouse gases trap heat in our atmosphere and keep us warm, but too much greenhouse gases means the Earth may become too warm when more heat is trapped. This can cause icebergs to melt and sea levels to rise, flooding islands and areas close to the sea. It can also cause droughts, more wildfires, and worse storms. Although greenhouse gases are natural, scientists say humans are releasing too much greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. Carbon dioxide can be released when we burn fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, or oil. Cars and planes burn fossil fuels and release a lot of carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. Factories do it too, to create electricity. Trees and plants are supposed to absorb carbon dioxide and store it or turn it into oxygen. But we are cutting down a lot of trees to make way for roads, buildings and farms, which means more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, trapping more heat and warming up the planet. A lot of greenhouse gases are released when we farm as well. When cows burp, they release methane. There are over 1 billion cows in the world. That is a lot of methane which can trap heat in our atmosphere. The world is beginning to move away from releasing so much greenhouse gases. We are doing this by moving to renewable energies like solar power and wind power, and using electric cars that don't burn fossil fuels. But there is still a lot more to do to make sure the Earth doesn't become too warm and lasts for generations to come.